Now beta, have a look on illustration number 16. X and Y are partners with profit sharing ratio 1:2 with capitals of rupees 4 lakh and 6 lakh. Two partners are there and their capital is 4 lakh and 6 lakh. On 1st October, means in between of the year, X and Y granted loans of rupees 1 lakh and 60,000 respectively to the firm. Means from October 1 to March 31, for 6 months they have granted loan to the firm. Distribute the profit losses among the partners for the year ended 31st March 2015 in each of the following cases. Now these all cases are very important. There are 3 cases. First of all, you have to calculate the interest on capital. देखो, nothing is given in the question. No interest on capital, no salary, no commission, nothing more than that. Only one thing is given, interest on loan. So we will make working note. In working note, we will calculation of interest on capital. Interest on loan. X loan was 1 lakh rupees and Y's loan was 60,000 rupees. So interest on loan is not said in the question. It will be 6% only. As you all know that we have to take 6% interest on loan. And the time period was from October to March, means 6 months only. X have granted loan 1 lakh rupees, Y have granted 60,000. 6% you all know that this is allowed. And for 6 months, because October to March, from 1st October to 31st March, this is 6 months time period. So it will be 3,000 and it will be 1,800. This is the interest on loan which is only allowed. Now have a look on the cases. First case, second case and third case. In first case, if the profit before interest for the year amounting to rupees 12,000 and for giving interest on loan we have to prepare profit and loss account and the profit is 12,000. So here we will write in profit and loss account the net profit of the year 12,000. The net profit of the year 12,000 and here interest on loan X and Y 3,000 and 1,800. So after deducting 3,000 and 1,800 from 12,000, the remaining profit is 7,200. It will be written here by to net profit transfer to appropriation account. You were having profit 12,000. Interest on loan is allowed 3,000 and 1,800. For 6 months, 6%. So after deducting this 4,800 from 12,000, we have remaining profit 7,200. Here we will write profit and loss account 7,200. Now this is the remaining profit which will be divided among X and Y in their profit sharing ratio. Since ratio is not mentioned, ratio is mentioned 1:2. That means 2 net profit transfer to X and Y. So this 7,200 will be divided in the ratio 1:2. 1:2 means 1/3 and 2/3. 1:2 means 1 plus 2, 3 means 1/3 and 2/3. It will be multiplied with 1/3 and 2/3 and the answer will be 2,400 and 4,800. For giving interest on loan to partners, we have prepared profit and loss account. For giving interest on loan, we have prepared profit and loss account, and for distributing the profit, we have prepared profit and loss appropriation account. Clear बच्चे? From 12,000 we have paid interest on loan, and for giving interest on loan we have prepared profit and loss account, and for distributing the remaining profit we have prepared profit and loss appropriation account. This was the first case. Now have a look on second case. If the profit before interest is 3000 only, means there will be loss in this case. So we are having a profit of rupees 3000 only. The profit of the year is 3000 only. But you all know that interest on loan is a charge against profit. It has to be paid whether there is sufficient profit or not. Means you have to pay the interest on loan. So interest on loan is 4800, but the profit is only 3000. So there will be a loss of 1800, which will be divided in 1:2. Means if the profit is sufficient, we will give, then remaining profit we will distribute in appropriation account. But here the profit was only 3000 and interest on loan was 3000 and 1800, means it was more than, the charge was more than the profit, so there will be a loss. And in case of loss, there will be no preparation of appropriation. In case of loss, there will be no preparation of appropriation account, only profit and loss account will be prepared. So the total is 4800. Now have a look on C part. If the loss before interest for the year is 7500, means in case of loss, only profit and loss account will be prepared, and here we will write to loss, and loss was 7500. If there is sufficient profit or not, or loss, we have to pay the charges. Interest on loan will also be paid. This is the only difference between charge and appropriation. Charges have to be paid whether there is sufficient profit, not sufficient profit, or maybe loss. They have to be paid. But appropriation will be paid only in case of profits, not in case of losses. So there was already a loss of 7500 and interest on loan we have to pay. So there will be increase in the loss. The total will be 12,300. So now this loss will be divided here only. For this division, no appropriation account will be prepared, because appropriation account is always prepared in case of profits, not in the case of losses. So this loss will be divided in 1:2. But if there was sufficient profit, we have paid interest on loan, and remaining profit we have distributed in appropriation in their agreed ratio. If there is not sufficient profit, but we have to pay the interest on loan, there will be loss, and for distribution of loss, no appropriation account will be prepared. It will be divided here only. And if there is loss in initial stage, but we have to pay interest on loan, so loss will be increased, and for this distribution it will be distributed here only, not in appropriation. Appropriation account in case of loss is never prepared. Appropriation is never prepared in case of loss. So have a look on this 16th illustration. Thank you.